Yeah.
Do you like I'm a player because you at Timinaka you would get players, only good players.
And a very quality.
I feel like at that point there was a time where everyone wanted to play 4D. And then it happened for not Ngengkupi to pen.
Generation to generation.
Aside, I need to work for this too. Now I'm Georgia tickets, it's fine. So it went Nali Donas of Hama came. Where's analysis
and then generation to generation. Yeah.
Like, what were you doing to convince Letona to leave their team to come?
I am fit to basically land engine. I can't be a man. Basically land engine. Foot more was hoop. Because basis is brand. Yeah. Yabo basis la unkomuti. I remember yabo ram. Torsa kutuze kanjani eklapini. Athi silungise oratile lebili. Uye oratile lebili. Yeah. Ukutuze kanjani eklapini. Simthatha na 10. 10 years. Sidlala against bona udlalele elinye time abathu press. Yeah. Udlalele elinye time abathu press. So mina ngiyazibuza ukuthi sihlula umuntu oyi1 ona 10 omncane kanje udlala against ama201. Lapho sifake nabo France that time ni cheating bekhona nan. But this boy good, this boy. Eden Park bekusaphuma ama-Cox wamahala yakhumbula. Ngeke kwaba ne-sponsor kuphuma ama-F50 ama-Mercurial mahala. So mina into beyinginwinisa mfethu bengilithatha lilisha linjalo ngibatshele labafana labo ukuthi angithi baphuma ama-Cox abomma y50 ngithathe the best ngikulanda endlini mfethu. Mangifika endlini mfethu sibindi uyabulala magrisa karaba bekangadlali mfethu. Ngamlanda ebusuku uyiSunday ngibuye church ngathi mama ngifuna lo mfana lo. Athi never isisuthi angisazi ke lapha. Yabo isisuthi njengoba ngisazi mfethu mina ngasazi ngebhola. Hey kubahle mshimane obaya